How to make a free email campaign in Canva quick and easy. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In this video, I bring you back with yet another Canva tutorial, and in this Canva tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can make your very own free email campaign in Canva. So it's going to be very easy. I'm going to take you through all of it. Canva is a very easy and efficient platform which gives us great features and great designs to help around with our mind and our creativity. And I'm going to take you through all of that. So I just want you to sit back and relax. It's going to be very simple, very easy, very quick, and very efficient. I'm going to take you through all of it. So just listen to all of my instructions and watch the video till the end. And by the end of this video, you're going to properly know how to make a free email campaign using Canva. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, obviously, we're going to go to canva.com. Now, canva.com is the greatest online platform there is to create your very own designs. So what we're going to do is obviously, first of all, you're going to need to get familiarized with how Canva basically works. You have all these great designs over here in Design Spotlight. For example, if you want to make logos, flyers, banners, posters, resumes, invitations, whatever you like, you can get them up here in your design pamphlets, or you can just use these tabs to scout around. Now, obviously, there's different plans and pricings. There's the free plan, which we're using right now. There's the Pro and Teams plan. The Pro plan is just a bigger, the upper plan from free, because the Pro plan provides us with all of these great designs and features that are just amazing. Now, the free plan, although does provide us with enough features, the Pro plan just gives us a step ahead, and the Teams plan is just the Pro plan but for more people. So you can check those out later if you want to, but right now we're just going to go started right away. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the search bar, and over here we're going to write email. And once we write email, what Canva is going to do is it's going to run up all these great templates that it has for email, because that's what Canva is good for. You're going to write anything in the search bar and it's going to give you amazing all-time templates around that text you wrote. So for now, what we're going to do is we're going to go on email newsletter, because obviously we're making campaign, and campaign starts with a newsletter. So once we go on email newsletter, it's going to give us all of these great templates that Canva made itself, and you can use any one of these. You can start blank if you want to. That's totally on you, but you can use all these great templates that Canva provides us with. So just be aware that some of these are paid. The ones that don't have anything on their bottom right are going to be totally free, and you can use those. But most of them are going to be paid, or maybe they're included in the Pro plan, like this one. So just choose out any free one that you fancy, and let's say I like this one a lot. This one looks good, so I'm just going to go click on that. And what that's going to do is it's going to take me to this page where it's going to open the email newsletter. So here we go. Here I am on this page where it opens the email newsletter. Here's the front side and here's the back side. Now, obviously, you can work around with this and you can mess around with this all you want. So what you're going to do is, obviously, if you want to change the color, you can mess around with that. For example, I want to change it from that to blue, or that to green if you want to. You can change the text if you want to. Let's make it less bold, or you know what, it looks better in bold. And then you can change the text color to white. There we go. That looks much better. And you can choose all of these. You can turn these to white if you want to. Let's say you want to make all of this white. Again, go over here, make it white. There we go. And then you can just start adding and separating different pictures. For example, if you want this picture to be in the middle, there we go. You can put it like that, or you can just open it out again if you want to. Let's go over here. There we go. Let's make that better. There we go. So you can just mess around. You can change the text if you want to. You can change this page. And yeah, that's the basic gist. You can just mess around. So that's how you change it in the template form. Now, if you want to add different elements, for example, let's say I want to add this arrow right here. Like, let's say I want to add it right here on this shop now page, because I want to really emphasize on the shop now banner. So let's say I want to tell them to really shop now. So we're just going to do that. I'm going to take this here. Like, yeah, bro, shop now. Let's go. So you can put in different widgets like that. This is obviously getting a bit extra, but obviously this is for example purposes. And you're going to put this over here. So yeah, it's just like related to the shop now widget. I'm just going to bring it here. And yeah, so this is the basic of how you add different elements. So if I want to add a star, I can add a star also. I'm just going to make this a bit smaller, bring it up here, and there we go. So you can just add different widgets to make your newsletter look much better. Then if you go in uploads, here you can upload different files. For example, you can upload different GIFs or photos that you want to add over here. Like for example, let's say I uploaded this PNG, and let's say I want to add this right over here, just as an example. Obviously this doesn't fit in our newsletter at all, just as an example. You can start adding your things in your newsletter if you want to, and all you need to do is just upload it in your uploads. And then we finally come to text. So once we're in text, over here you see all these different fonts with all these different colors. You can mess around with those. For example, let's say I want to use the glow font, and on the glow font I'm gonna write email, and then you can just make it smaller if you want to. So let's click on here, you can make it smaller, add it anywhere you'd like on your screen. And yeah, that's basically about it. That is how amazing and great Canva is, because that is how easy it is to create anything you like with all these great features that are provided on Canva. So yeah, after you've made whatever you want, what you're gonna want to do is you're just going to click on share in the top right over here. You're going to go down here into download. You're going to click on download, and over here in the file type, you can make it PNG, JPG, PDF standard, PDF print. Now it all depends on however you want to send it. If it's a PDF form, like obviously if you want to email it, make it a PDF. Or you can just do PNG, whatever you like best. I'd say a PDF would be better, but for now we're just going to do PNG because PNG photos are the highest quality. Then you're just going to click on download, and it's going to download these two newsletters into your desktop. From there on out, you can start your emailing or whatever you like to do with that. So now what you're going to do is obviously you're just going to go to your email, and then you're going to send it. So that is how easy it is to basically make your very own free business email or your email campaign using Canva. And yeah, you can use more softwares that there are, or more platforms there are. Like there's the MailChimp.com. Basically, MailChimp is for your marketing automation and email platform. You can use this to create your very own email campaign because, as you can see, it is literally an email marketing service. You can use this if you want to. If you go down here, what is MailChimp used for? It helps you manage and talk to your clients, customers, or other interested parties. And you can make your free business campaign if you want to. So you can use these platforms, obviously, but I just recommend Canva because Canva just gives you all these great templates and designs, and it's just much, much better. So obviously from here on out, you can start doing your campaigns and whatever you like. So yeah, that's the basic gist of it. If you have any queries or issues related to this video, please let me know down in the comments and I'll help you straight away. And if you want to see more videos related to Canva or other tutorials, please let me know that as well, and I will make more videos for you. And if you have any other questions related to anything, please let me know. But yeah, until then, like the video and subscribe to the channel because that helps me out a lot. Share this video out with anyone in need, and leave a nice comment down below if you like the video. But yeah, until then, I hope you all keep having a great day, and I'll see you next time. That was all from me. Goodbye.